Welcome to third grade. Let's begin our online lesson. Take your books, copybooks, and others peoples. Are you ready for the lesson? If you're ready for the lesson, let's begin our lesson. Hello, my dears. How are you? How is your mood? How do you spend your free time? How are you today, my dears? Oh, you are good, yes? Okay. You're okay today, yes? Oh, well done, my dears. You are great, yes? Okay, my lovely pupils. Our new theme is World Around Us. Unit 13, Lesson 1. The aims of the lesson: to improve reading, writing, and speaking, to help them to work together, to enlarge vocabulary. Open your books on page 182. Exercise 1. Look, listen, repeat, and point. Repeat after me, pupils, okay? Okay, my dears. What is it? It's a river, yes? River. Please repeat, my dears. River. Okay. Flower. 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 Okay, very good. What is it, my dears? Yes, it's a cloud, yes? Cloud. Okay. Lake. Lake. Repeat. Lake. Okay, you are very good today, yes? Okay, my dears. Mountain. Mountain. Sky. Sky. Yes, it's a sky, yes? Okay, my dears. What is it? It's a bird, yes? Bird. Bird. Okay, my lovely pupils. What is it? It's a field, yes, you are right, yes. Field, yes? Please repeat, field. Yes, it's a field, yes? Next exercise, 10 on page 183. Find 10 words and write read the words, okay? You must find words and write your copybooks, okay? And read, okay, my dears? For example, 3, 1, first words, yes? 3, second words, lake, lake. Third, mountains, mountains. You must continue and others, okay? Okay, my dear pupils. Next exercise 4 on page 184. Look at the picture and you must match, yes? Look at the picture, pupils. What are those? They are mountains, yes. You are right, my dears. What are these? What are these? They are birds. What is this? What is this? It's a lake, yes. It's a lake. What is it? What is it? That's a yacht, yes? Yes, you are right, my dears. Okay, your homework is exercise 5 on page 184. Put the words in order, okay? what we went through today. Today, our theme world around us, yes? World around us. Okay, my dears. You must write your homework. Please, cloud the white R. You must write in order, okay? Cloud the white R. The clouds are white, yes? Yes, right. Youths too are there. There are 2 youths, yes? There are 2 youths. Okay, my dears. You must write your homework is, okay? Is it clear for you? Okay, my dears. Our lesson is over. Goodbye, my lovely pupils. Goodbye, my dears. Thank you for your attention.